Have you ever paused to ponder what everything around you is made of? From the air we breathe to the solid ground under our feet, from the water in our oceans to the stars in the distant galaxies, all of these have one thing in common. They are all made up of matter. Matter, in the simplest terms, is anything that has mass and occupies space. It is the physical substance of our universe, the tangible stuff that makes up everything we can touch, see, smell, taste, or hear. If we delve deeper into matter, we find it's composed of tiny particles called atoms. These atoms, too small to be seen even under the most powerful microscopes, are the building blocks of matter. They combine in different ways to form millions of different substances, each with its own set of properties. Furthermore, atoms themselves are made up of even smaller particles: protons, neutrons, and electrons. Protons and neutrons reside in the nucleus of the atom, while electrons orbit around it. The number and arrangement of these particles in an atom determine the properties of the matter it forms. Matter exists in various states, with the most common ones being solid, liquid, and gas. Each state of matter has distinct characteristics. Solids have a fixed shape and volume, liquids have a fixed volume, but can change shape, and gases can change both shape and volume. However, the story of matter doesn't end there. Under certain conditions, matter can transform into other states like plasma, the fourth state of matter, or even the fascinating state of Bose-Einstein condensates, which occur at temperatures close to absolute zero. Let's not forget, matter is not created or destroyed. It merely changes from one form to another. This principle, known as the law of conservation of matter, is a fundamental concept in physics. In conclusion, matter is truly the stuff of the universe, the raw material from which everything is made. It's in the air we breathe, the food we eat, the stars we gaze at, and even in us. From the smallest particles to the vast expanses of the universe, matter is everywhere. Understanding matter helps us understand the world around us and beyond. So, to summarize the main points, matter is anything that has mass and occupies space. It's made up of tiny particles called atoms, which in turn are composed of protons, neutrons, and electrons. Matter can exist in several states, including solid, liquid, gas, plasma, and Bose-Einstein condensates. And lastly, matter cannot be created or destroyed, only transformed. Remember, the universe is not just a space filled with things. It's a dynamic, ever-changing tapestry of matter in constant motion.